Well, I'm mixing it up today. I have a little bit of fantasy and a little bit of traditional art in this painting. This is an acrylic painting and it can be found in the original video, which is over 3 hours long, with traceables that go with it and step-by-step instruction. So if you're interested in this type of thing, check out my join button down below and also on Patreon, and see if this would be something that you would like to learn in your creative journey. So sit back and have a little sneak peek at what I have to offer.